Hello travelers, welcome back to our channel where we explore number 30 of the top 100 most popular travel destinations worldwide without breaking the bank. Today, we're in the magical city of Orlando, Florida, known for its world-famous theme parks and sunny weather. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through how to enjoy this vibrant city on a budget, covering everything from must-see spots to hidden local gems. Let's get started. Orlando, located in Central Florida, is known for its theme parks, entertainment, and beautiful weather. Originally a quiet farming town, it transformed into a tourist haven with the opening of Walt Disney World in 1971. It is a city known for its iconic theme parks and sunny weather, has become a popular destination for travelers looking to explore on a budget. With a variety of affordable accommodation options, visitors can enjoy a week-long trip without breaking the bank. Upon arrival at Orlando International Airport, travelers can check into budget-friendly hotels such as Quality Inn and Suites by the Parks, Rosen Inn International, or Motel 6 Orlando International Drive. These options offer safe and comfortable stays at prices ranging from $50 to $70 per night. The first day in Orlando is perfect for exploring the world-famous Walt Disney World. Opting for a one-day pass can help keep costs down, with tickets priced at around $109. Bringing snacks and water to the park can also help avoid high food prices inside. The following day, visitors can head to Universal Studios for a day filled with action and adventure. Looking for online promotions can help secure the best deal on tickets, which typically cost around $150 for a one-day pass. Keeping an eye out for discounts on the official website or travel sites can also lead to additional savings. For a break from the theme parks, travelers can spend a day at Harry P. Lou Gardens, a beautiful and affordable way to enjoy nature in Orlando. Entry to the gardens is $10 for adults, offering a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Shopping enthusiasts can explore Orlando International Premium Outlets for great deals on top brands, or visit East End Market for local produce and artisanal products. These spots provide unique shopping experiences and opportunities to pick up souvenirs at reasonable prices. A day trip to the Kennedy Space Center is a must for science and space enthusiasts, despite being a bit of a splurge. Tickets to the center cost around $57 for adults, offering a fascinating look into the world of space exploration. On the final day of the trip, visitors can relax at Lake Eola Park, rent a swan boat, have a picnic, and enjoy the downtown skyline. Boat rentals at the park are just $15, providing a perfect way to unwind and reflect on the adventures of the week. Overall, a 7-day trip cost around to Orlando will depend upon your home location and your choice of airfare, accommodation, food and drink, transport, and attractions. Staying hydrated, keeping belongings secure, and being aware of surroundings in crowded places are important safety tips to keep in mind while exploring the city. For international travelers, it's essential to check visa requirements before booking a trip to the USA. Airlines such as Delta, United, and American Airlines often offer promotions for flights to Orlando, and booking in advance can lead to significant savings. While there are no active travel warnings for Orlando, it's always a good idea to stay updated on travel advisories from your government. Must-have souvenirs from the city include Disney-themed merchandise or NASA memorabilia from the Kennedy Space Center. Local guides are available for hire in Orlando, with prices ranging from $50 to $100 per day. Using public transport, like the Lynx bus system, can help save on transportation costs, and many attractions offer free shuttle services for added convenience. In conclusion, exploring Orlando on a budget is entirely possible with careful planning and smart choices. From theme parks to nature spots, shopping destinations to cultural attractions, the city offers a wide range of experiences for budget-conscious travelers. Hope you liked this video. For our budget travel guides to your dream destinations, please visit our channel to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification on new places to explore. Have a safe journey.